Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-uusapan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. And for today's video, we're going to talk about multiplication and division of integers. To multiply and divide integers, we need to follow these two rules. Number 1. In multiplying and dividing integers with the same sign, the answer will always be positive. Doesn't matter kung both of them are positive or both of them are negative, as long as pares sila ng sign, magiging positive po ang answer niya. And number 2, in multiplying and dividing integers with different signs, the answer will always be negative. Kapag magkaiba naman ang sign, negative ang magiging answer niya. Let's have some examples. For number 1, we have 7 times negative 2. So the first thing that we need to do in multiplying and dividing integers is to observe sa kanilang sign. So number 1, isang positive 7 at negative 2. Since magkaiba ang kanyang sign, according sa rule ng multiplying and dividing integers, kapag magkaiba ang sign, ang answer ay negative. So negative po ang answer natin. And 7 times 2 is 14. That's why 7 times negative 2 is equal to negative 14. For number 2, magkaiba ulit siya ng sign. At kapag magkaibang sign, negative. And 5 times 4, 20 ang answer. So, negative 20. For number 3, negative 7 times 7, magkaiba ulit ang sign. So, negative. 7 times 7, 49. So, ang answer para sa question na yan ay negative 49. For number 4, parehas silang positive. So, ang answer must be positive. 5 times 7 is 35. Next, for number 5, 10 times negative 5, magkaiba ulit ang sign. So, negative. And 10 times 5 is equal to 50. Next, negative 6 times 8, magkaiba po siya ng sign. Kaya negative ang answer natin. And 6 times 8 is 48. So, ang answer sa negative 6 times 8 ay negative 48. For number 7, magkaiba ulit ang sign, isang negative at isang positive. So, ang answer natin, negative. And then, 10 times 2 ay 20. So, ang answer sa negative 10 times 2 ay negative 20. For number 8, negative 7 times 5, magkaiba ulit siya lang ng sign, kaya negative ang answer natin. 7 times 5, 35. So, ang answer for that number is negative 35. For number 9, negative 3 times 6. Magkaiba ulit siya ng sign. So, negative po ang answer natin dahil magkaiba po ang sign nila. 6 times 3 ay 18. So, that's why ang answer po sa question na yan ay negative 18. Okay, let's have more examples. We have 9 times 7. Parehas po silang positive, kaya ang answer natin ay positive. And 9 times 7 ay 63. Next, number 11, 4 times negative 9, magkaiba ang sign. So, negative ang answer natin. And 9 times 4 is 36. Next, number 12, negative 4 times 10, magkaiba po siya ng sign, kaya negative ang answer natin. And 4 times 10 is 40. Kaya negative 40 ang answer natin. Next, 5 times negative 3, magkaiba ulit sila ng sign, kaya negative. And 5 times 3 ay 15. So therefore, ang answer natin dyan ay negative 15. For number 14, we have negative 4 times negative 9. Pareha silang negative. So ang answer natin magiging positive. So 9 times 4 ay 36. For number 15, we have 1 times 3. Parehas ulit silang positive. Kaya positive din ang sagot natin. And what's the answer sa 1 times 3? Okay, very good. That's 3. Next, number 16, negative 4 times 0. Dito sa number 16, it doesn't matter kung magkapareha sila ng sign o magkaiba. Dahil sa 0 naman natin siya i-multiply at meron po tayong rule sa mathematics wherein any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So that's why sa number 16, 0 ang sagot. Number 17, we have negative 5 times negative 1. Parehas silang negative, so ang answer natin magiging positive. And 5 times 1 is 5. Then number 18, we have negative 5 times 5. Magkaiba sila ng sign, so negative po ang sagot natin dyan. And then 5 times 5 ay 25. So that's why ang answer natin for number 18 is negative 25. Okay, let's have more examples. We have negative 57 divided by 1. So magkaiba sila ng sign. That's why negative dapat ang answer natin. And 57 divided by 1 is 57. So ang answer natin sa number 1 ay negative 57. Number 2, magkaiba ulit sila ng sign kaya negative na naman. And 180 divided by 10 is 18. So therefore, ang answer natin for number 2 is negative 18. Number 3, negative 77 divided by 11. Magkaiba ulit ng sign, kaya negative yan. So 77 divided by 11 is 7. So that's why ang answer natin sa number 3 ay negative 7. So number 4, we have negative 156 divided by negative 12. So magkapareha silang negative. So ang answer natin ay magiging positive. And negative 156 divided by 12 is equal to 13. So positive 13 siya dahil pareha silang negative. Okay, let us continue. We have 96 divided by negative 4. So magkaiba sila ng sign kaya ang answer natin ay negative. And 96 divided by 4 is 24. So therefore, ang answer natin sa number 5 ay negative 24. For number 6, pareha silang negative, so magiging positive. 144 divided by 12 is 12. So positive 12 po ang answer natin. Next, negative 6 divided by 3, magkaiba ng sign, so negative. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Next, negative 121 divided by negative 11. Pareha sila ng sign, so ang answer natin ay positive 11. Okay. Next po, we have negative 108 divided by 3. Magkaiba sila ng sign, so therefore ang answer natin ay negative. So magiging negative siya dahil magkaiba ang sign. And 108 divided by 3 is 36. So ang answer natin for number 9 ay negative 36. For number 10, 48 divided by negative 24. Since magkaiba ang sign, negative ulit ang answer natin. 48 divided by 24 is 2. Number 11, negative 148 divided by 4. Magkaiba ang sign, kaya negative. And 148 divided by 4 is 37. And for number 12, we have 240 divided by negative 12. Since magkaiba ulit ang sign, negative pa rin ang answer natin. And 240 divided by 12 is 20. Alright. So, that's it po para sa division and multiplication of integers. Okay, let us try to answer this. Kindly pause the video para may longer time po tayo para mag-answer. Okay, let us answer. For number 1, we have negative 6 times and negative 10. So both of them are negative. Parehas negative ang sign. So ang answer natin ay positive. And 6 times 10 ay 60. Next, 5 times negative 12. Isang positive, isang negative. So negative ang answer natin. And 5 times 12 is equal to another 60. Next, negative 40 divided by 8. Magkaiba sila ng sign. So, negative ang answer natin. 40 divided by 8 must be equal to 5. So, equal negative 5 po ang sagot natin sa 3. So, number 4, 11 divided by negative 11, magkaiba sila ng sign, kaya ang answer natin ay negative. And 11 divided by 11 is 1. Next, for number 5, para silang positive. And 4 times 7 ay 28. So, positive ang answer natin. Next, negative 2 times negative 15, pares negative. So, ang answer natin magiging positive. And 2 times 15 is 30. Then, we have 30 divided by negative 6. Magkaiba sila ng sign, kaya ang answer natin ay negative. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay, so I hope you got 7 out of 7. Okay. So, that's all for today. So, I hope meron po tayong natutunan para sa ating aralin sa araw na ito. Kung meron po tayong mga topic na nais may discuss sa mga susunod na videos, please comment down below. Muli, this is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.